Alright guys, so before I put the wheels on the car, as you guys can tell, they are very dirty. Let me show you guys the back side of it. You see that? It is filthy. So right now it's a good opportunity while I have it off the car to give it a quick wash. I'm just using regular soap. I know it's not the best for wheels. As you guys can see, some of these stains don't want to come out. If you guys know any good soaps for chrome wheels like these, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to go pick that up. Quick rinse. Alright guys, so right now, as you guys can see, I'm putting these wooden blocks. I would say it's like a 1x4. I'm using about 3 of them, as you guys can see over here, because I do not have a low profile jack. That's the jack that I have. So I'm just having to you know, use what I got basically. And this is the only way to get the car high enough for our jack to fit under. So I'm gonna set up like a staircase type thing, and then I'm gonna back up slowly. All right, help me back up, Jeremy. I'm gonna back up real slow.
All right.
There's nothing behind me, right? I can hear.
Hold up. Ah, you're good. Woo! Alright, perfect. As you guys can see, we got it on top of the wooden planks right there.
You're speaking too low, bro.
Oh yeah, we got wind, right?
No, you're
God damn.
whispering. You just talk like I said.
Nah, I think it's the cold drink that I had, man.
Alright guys, I'm gonna start by breaking the nuts loose. If you guys don't know, that's the socket to use, 7/8. Oh, look at this, guys. We can see the new parts.
New parts.
All these are new lines right here. OEM lines, of course.
Same spring.
Yeah, same spring. I guess it wasn't damaged, so they just kept it, which I am okay with. Yes, sir.
Everything looks good.
Everything looks good. Like Jeremy said, there's some spider webs here. It has been sitting at the shop for a while. Alright guys, let me bring out the big boy. For some of you that do not know, Mickey Thompson, the drag radials are directional. What that means is this tire is intended to spin. There's an arrow somewhere over here, right here. Zoom in on this. So it says rotation, and then there's an arrow pointing this way. So these tires are directional. So, which means the rotation is this way, which means this one is for the passenger side. All right. So I can't go ahead and put this on the driver's side like this, because guess what? Now it's gonna rotate in the opposite direction. As you guys can see, it's supposed to rotate this way, right? So when you put it on the driver's side instead of the passenger side, you're gonna be going against rotation, and that's what makes you guys' cars shake whenever you guys get drag radials. I get a lot of questions from my friends who got drag radials, and they're like, hey Ted, man, my car is shaking really bad. What's going on? And it turns out they did not put the wheels on the right side. All right, so this one rotation is this way, again forward. This one is for the passenger side. Alright guys, so after the lug nuts are on the wheel, this is a torque wrench, and in the owner's manual you're supposed to torque the wheels on a 2018 Mustang Plus to 150 foot-pounds. So I'm gonna torque this one on to 150 foot-pounds. If you guys have never used a torque wrench before, you just set it to the force that you want to torque your nuts down to, and then whenever you get to that certain force, it'll click, as you guys can hear, like that, to tell you know that you're there. And I'm gonna tighten this in a star pattern. Alright guys, I took off the front driver's side wheel, and look at what I saw right there. Woo-wee! Look at that. I think this thing has a color shift to it too. Y'all see that? Look at that. Look at them headers. Man, Cook's headers make some good stuff, man. Look at that. Imagine if that was a wrap on my car. That color shift. That's crazy, man. But anyway, back to the video. I can't wait to have this thing on. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's get it.
Your own style, that's just slang for you, ain't got it though. Talking like you got it, that's a problem, I might let them know. Freeze you like I'm Elsa, so my let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, head to toe. Said you got your own style, that's just slang for you, ain't got it though. Talking like you got it, that's a problem, I might let them know. Freeze you like I'm Elsa, so my let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, never know. Talking like Geronimo, get dropped down like some dominoes. Blues and greens and pinks, I got a lot of those. Yeah, you know, talking slime.
Alright guys, I am finished putting all the wheels on the car, and this thing looks amazing guys, incredible. So without further ado, let me reveal to you guys what it looks like right now. In 3, 2, 1, boom. There we go. Look at that thing, man.
That's a real crisscross.
Sheesh. Oh my goodness. Yo. Correct me if I'm wrong, but man, this thing looks like a beast right now. Man, I cannot wait to go to the track with these, because I know I saved a lot of weight by putting them on the car. So right now I'm gonna head to PowerFab Autosports. If you guys don't know, those are the guys that helped me out, you know, with the whole process, because it was my first time getting in an accident, so I didn't know what to do. So I just went to PowerFab Autosports, and they pointed me in the right direction. They helped me find a good dealership that can fix the car for me, and those guys did an amazing job. As you guys saw when I went to pick it up, it's Lone Star Chevy, located on 290. So they did an amazing job. So right now I'm gonna go to PowerFab Autosports, and you know, just thank those guys for helping me out. And finally gonna show them what the car looks like right now with the drag setup. So I know they're gonna be super excited. That was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Installation video of the Weld wheels that I picked up for the fronts. So the car is finally finished, as you guys can see, as far as the wheels and tires for the drag setup. So with that being said, stay tuned for more videos guys. It's gonna be crazy. The build is gonna be insane. As always guys, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.